Hey guys, and welcome to Dispatching University. Today, we have a super exciting topic to discuss. We're going to dive deep into the world of freight brokering and explore what it's all about. So, if you're interested in logistics, transportation, or just curious about this fascinating industry, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by answering the fundamental question: what exactly is a freight broker? Well, in simple terms, a freight broker acts as an intermediary between shippers and carriers in the transportation industry. They facilitate the movement of goods from point A to point B by connecting those who need to ship their products with reliable carriers. Now that we know what a freight broker is, let's take a look at their roles and responsibilities. The freight broker wears many hats. His primary tasks include sourcing and securing transportation services, negotiating rates with carriers, and managing the logistics of each shipment. The freight broker acts as a bridge, ensuring that the right cargo reaches the right destination on time and within budget. Okay, but why would someone choose to work with a freight broker instead of directly dealing with carriers? Well, there are several advantages. Firstly, freight brokers have extensive networks of carriers, allowing them to find the most suitable options for each shipment. They also handle the complex paperwork and documentation, easing the burden on shippers. Additionally, freight brokers can often negotiate better rates due to their industry knowledge and relationships. Alright, guys, that wraps up today's video on freight brokering. I hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of this crucial role in the transportation industry. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. And that's a wrap. If you want to stay connected and receive updates, make sure to follow us on our social media channels. Links are in the description below. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of logistics. See you soon.